Hello everyone, this is Sheila Su from King Solution Taiwan. Today we are at MPE exhibition. We are going to show our mold channel cleaning machine, which is Descaling machine. Our booth is at W7961. Here I want to introduce you the new innovation machine. We just press the choose one-way cleaning or two-way cleaning. The cleaning time by 1 hour, 2 hour, 4 hour, 30 minutes. The maximum can be 8 hours. We just have to connect the pipe with your mold and machine. You see the vibration? With these small bubbles, keep continuously heat on the wall. It will clean and flush all the dirty scale and the rust from the pipe. And this is the larger valve. You can connect and clean your heat exchanger for the injection molding machine or chillers. And this is the booster. We just have to give the compressed power source in your factory, and it will boost up to 8 kilo to clean all your mold and machines. Then let's take a look. The compressed air already mixed with the water, so it will keep shaking and create a vibration. And you see the bubbles? The bubbles will hit on the wall, and it will burst and peel all the scale and dust and rust from the pipe itself. After cleaning, here we have the clean water tank. This clean water tank we will only use after the dirty water clean finish. So after clean, you don't have to worry about how to deal with dirty water. You just drain it directly because you are not using any chemical, no agent. This machine is also very easy to move. Here we have the wheel. You can move anywhere in your factory. You can put your mold numbers and the cleaning day, the start date, the time, the finish time. We sincerely invite you come to our booth to take a look with the machine. Here we are in MPE. We hope to visit to your coming here in W Hall. Thank you.